All right, good morning to one and all once again. Welcome to this fifth day of a career-oriented course on communication skills and personality development. Today, we have the pleasure of having with us Mr. Sarang Gedam. He is an alumni of Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Management Studies and Research from the batch of 2003-2005. He has worked at HDFC Mutual Fund for 10 years. And then he started his own venture, SN Capital, working as a SEBI-registered mutual fund distributor since 2005. He is also managing asset clients of worth 45 crore. Sir, it's a pleasure connecting with you once again as an alumni, as one of the students of this session. And on behalf of SBCT College, my own self, and all the participants, I welcome you and request you to start your session.
Yeah, thank you very much, Muktai madam. Yeah, indeed a pleasure to reconnect, rejoin, and let us try to recalibrate what we have been missing in this Corona pandemic time. I'll just share my presentation. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah, okay. Once again, good morning to all the students of your esteemed college. I'm very much glad to share this or share my thoughts on though a very crucial topic, personality and spirituality. But I think that both with these things, personality and spirituality, ये दोनों ही चीजें जो है मेरे ख्याल से these are two sides of the same coin. So we cannot negate one, or we cannot escape one and enjoy the other. So most of this Corona time, people have realized that there are a lot of classes, yoga classes, meditation classes, lot of things going on online as people were sitting at their home. Now, when it comes to personality, you see, I only believe that we have to, like, when it comes to personality, the only equation I came to was leaders. So our entire efforts of becoming a good leader, of finding a good leader, is what shapes up our personality. Two types of personalities are there. One is choleric personality and the another is sanguine. So choleric are people who are a bit introvert. They don't open up too much in the crowd. They will be very shy and sort of say dryness in their attitude, which at times will be exactly opposite. They will be different. But sanguine are people like who want to mingle with other people. They want to know what is happening in their life. So these personalities we can see everywhere around us. Mukta, is it visible? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah, yeah. So this is the first.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, learning who you are is what you are here to do. Palacio, she is a American author. She writes a lot of books and everything. So learning who you are is what you are here to do. It means finding out the true purpose in life. हमें कई बार ये पता ही नहीं होता है कि हम MBA क्यों कर रहे हैं, या हमने साइंस क्यों लिया, या हमने कॉमर्स क्यों लिया. तो ये जो कंफ्यूजन है, ये नॉर्मली पहले नहीं होता था. In 1980s or 85 probably, those who are at the age of 40, 45, they realize that their careers or their aspirations were chosen, selected, and given a direction by their parents or the near and dear ones. But currently, students, undergraduates, even in schools, they have a lot of choices. We can see advertisements. Advertisements are a big way you can, measure the taste or the kind of direction the students or entire everybody is having. The best ad I saw latest one was Sensodyne. A lot of superb pictures of juices, ice cream, fascinating plates decorated with lot of cheese and everything. And it said you cannot have a tooth problem to enjoy this great juice or a great shake, because life is too short. So you see, when it comes to life and enjoyment, हमने जो डिफाइन किया है वो ये है कि हर चीज मुझे जल्दी मिलने चाहिए. So what is the definition of jaldi? Those people after their engineering or graduation or MBA, they want a certain package because they feel that this is what I am destined, or this is what I should get. But when it comes to spirituality, we always say, or yoga, again, these are two sides of the coin, yoga and spirituality, or meditation and spirituality. But when it comes to spirituality, लोग बोलते हैं कि इसको अभी हम नहीं करेंगे, इसको अभी समय है, we will postpone it. First, let me complete the enjoyment part. I'll give a very classic example. It is of a bird. See, we should be like birds. Like our master says that there is a quote: we should be like birds with two wings. One wing is our materialistic wing, our responsibilities, our household jobs, our career, our ambitions, and the second wing is a spiritual wing. If you have both the wings in perfect shape and in perfect balance, I think you can fly like an eagle. Eagle flies very high above the clouds, right? But to have the capability and the capacity and the strength in your wings, what is needed, I'll share in my next slide. You see, these are again, this might not be really visible, but can you see this?
Sir, it's visible.
Yeah, okay.
And there's an option to zoom to.
Now,
Hi, sir.
hello. Yeah. See, when external events are recorded through the senses, like through sight, what we see, what we hear and smell, touch and taste. The second stage, these impressions are then transmitted to the respective brain centers or organs. Now, what are the different organs? Like heart, brain, every organ which is functioning, right? The brain organs transmit the impressions to the mind. Now, the majedar cheese here is organs has now suddenly gone to mind, which is not an organ, which we cannot see, which we cannot like we cannot see it in an X-ray or in any damn MRI or anything. But mind controls everything, right? Then the impressions are shared with the intellect. So where is the intellect? It is in the mind again. It is in the brain. But again, intellect is seen in your character, is seen in your behavior, right? These impressions are shared with the intellect and the ego part comes in. Now, what is the ego? A lot of people say that we should not have ego. I personally believe that ego is our existence. हर कम या ज्यादा मात्रा में वो ईगो जो होता है वो एक व्यक्ति का एग्जिस्टेंस होता है. It defines his her life, his her values, and the kind of path that person has selected. The impressions are shared with the intellect and the ego also becomes involved. Now, what does the ego does? The I part comes in. I was listening to Dr. Hedge yesterday. He's a renowned doctor from Kerala. We I करेंगे तो illness आएगा. And when we do, we do wellness. So we are transmitting the thoughts which our mind has recollected to the brain, to the mind, and then to the intellect, through the ego, these impressions are then shared with the soul, resulting in perception. Now, what is perception? If you look at the Google definition of perception, it is your own thought process, right? So where now the part of the soul is a very crucial part, because again, you cannot see it, but it has a lot of things to do in your life. We always define people by their heart. He's a kind-hearted person. She is a kind-hearted lady, right? Then these impressions are then shared with the soul, resulting in the perception. The soul then sends back these instructions or all the recorded things through the various subtle bodies. Now, what are subtle bodies? These are some, see, these are not new words. These are complex words. I don't see it is complex, but we have to understand and tell our students that our life is defined by the character, and character is the outcome of our value system, of our education, and the perceived knowledge which we gain from our college, from our parents. It is again a hierarchy, and the attitude with which we deliver it into the society. Nowadays, this today, like society is, people are having a lot of problems. There is a lot of mental dilemma. People are having problems of anxiety. There is a new word called fear of missing out, FOMO, and certain things which never existed 10, 20 years back. Because I believe that our sleep pattern, our circadian system, it is shaken or to an extent taken over by the gadgets which we extensively use, and our thinking process probably is not aligned with what we want to talk. We are always focusing on the outcome. We should be focusing, rather this session, I personally believe that the students should focus on the process. आज संडे है, हमने ये 6 दिन का सेशन अटेंड करना चाहिए. I remember we had such a session of 6 months by our respected Kumar sir when I was in graduation. So 6 months is a pretty long time, but that shaped us, our destiny, probably we can call it, and it is again an outcome of the process. Now, this is a very important chart. I got it. I follow a system of heartfulness meditation practice since probably I am an Abhyasi, or I am a joinee since 2001. But again, see, it doesn't mean that old is, in any spiritual system, old doesn't mean you are, you have attained a certain state of achievement. Newcomers are fast learners. So what does practice involves, and what kind of practice you should do? You see, बहुत सारे teachers available है, YouTube है. Again, we are, singularity and duality. अब कई लोग, कई authors बोलते हैं कि there is only singularity in life. You should be focused. But life involves duality: vice, virtue, good, bad, happiness, again sadness, right? So what kind of a practice I should follow, or rather implement in my life, ताकि मैं current level of मेरे existence को change कर पाऊं? Are we happy with our current level of existence? Most of us feel no, there is some lack of a skill, some lack of my bodily movement. There is something missing. That is the reason that every day we are trying to be better than our yesterday. What are the value systems? What are the essential values? ये मैंने लेड किए हुए values है, या system ने मुझ पे दिए हुए values है? What kind of behavior, like being or doing, right? It is like, you are sitting in meditation. and thinking that you are meditation. You are not actually doing anything. You are just thinking constantly. So the next, and then again I said that what ultimate thing you have to have in your mind is that to be leaders. To be leaders in what? Not to go and give a great sort of speech in front of your fellow beings or colleagues or competitors, but leaders in every aspect of your life जो आपने as a challenge, as a task उसको accept किया है. See, nowadays getting up early in the morning, I think it is a very challenging task. But people here, I know few of my clients who have a target of getting 4:30, and they wake up at 4:30 in the morning. Their day begins at 4:30. So are they good leaders? I think they are leaders in motivating every other soul they are touching or meeting in person. And last thing which matters is continuous improvement. As I said that nobody is perfect, but achieving that state of perfection is our goal. Now, a daily morning meditation practice, have this practice scientifically, right? Fill your heart with love. Unless and until you have, it is like, you're offered an ice cream and you eat it anxiously, very joyfully you eat it with a smile on your face. The second ice cream you also enjoy, right? But it is like when somebody is asking you to wake up early in the morning, आप बोलते हो कि मैं क्यों करूं, right? And I know I'm addressing a lot of young children. बहुत difficult है क्योंकि ये क्यों करना है, सबसे important चीज तो होगी कि ये क्यों करें. तो you have to find your why. I can only help you lay down a format which मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दूसरों की गलतियों से हमने ज्यादा सीखना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम अगर गलती करेंगे तो again lot of time will be wasted. So being ambitious and being aspirational. Aspiration is like becoming a teacher of economics at IIMs. What is aspiration? Aspiration is I want a BMW in next 20 years, or say I want a turnover of 100 crores in next 25 years. So that is ambition. Ambitions, I personally feel that ambition kills your aspiration. Fix your goal and do not rest until you attain it. Now, people normally fix their goal on 1st of January, forget them by what January ends. And again, these are the practices which you have to follow. What are the value system? Live simple in tune with nature. Now we have seen Corona pandemic, this COVID has taught us that we have forgot nature to such a level that we have started insulting nature. Not only in cutting trees, using plastic extensively, and a lot of other things. We have started disrespecting the creation of nature itself. Now, what is the creation of nature? He created man. He created the soul. हम बोलते हैं ना कि this is the best creation of God. Now, I don't, in the entire presentation, I made it a point that I should not put the word God, because it is, lot of things are associated. I wanted it to be call it as a source. जहाँ से हम लोग आए, हम सब लोग आए, right? So live simply in tune with nature. बोलना बहुत आसान है, it is very practically difficult. But when you understand the first three things, the fourth will be easy. Be truthful and accept challenges as being for your betterment. Being truthful is very, very important in any part of life. What should be my behavior? Being to doing. मैंने क्या करना चाहिए? Know everyone as one, treating them equally and harmoniously. It is not you should not be too much self-centered as to these are my people, this is what I like, they are my people. See, I cannot hate the creation of God, right? If I don't like certain people, I mean, how can I hate? It means I hate God or my creator. I cannot do that. Do not seek revenge for the wrongs done by others. हम लोग normally क्या होता है आजकल की I'll teach him a lesson. We have to learn a lesson. We cannot teach anybody. Right? Honor the resources you are given as sacred. वही हुआ, हमने नेचर को सेक्रेड माना तो था, हम पूजा करते रहे, वी वर्शिप like hell, like, you know, but actually it was mechanical, it was not practical. How can our personalities be shaped on something or some values which are given to me as a formula? Let me define my own life, let me have my own formula, let me invent, let me recalibrate that जो मेरे में missing था. Okay, honor the resources you are given as sacred with an attitude of purity for everything, for food, for money, right? So coming back to leadership, become a role model by inspiring love and sacredness in others. Again, this word sacred has come here. Accept the richness of others. How beautiful this word is. Accept the richness of others. तो हम बोलेंगे कि एक भिखारी में क्या richness हो सकती है? A poor guy, how can he give some sort of an, or a guy who is at a level low to me can be of some rich values. I mean, that you have to find out. You'll have to see how people around you are behaving, how you treat them, and how you reciprocate to their call, right? This attitude of, you know, donating and clicking a lot of selfies and posting on your Facebook. I'm not a very technologically savvy person, but I believe that one day I was meditating. Muktai ma'am, this is a very personal example of mine I'm sharing here. I was just meditating and I got a thought, why God has given me 10 fingers. He could have added one or reduced one, anything. Grip acha aata hai, thumb is for this, that is all right. The very second thought came that these 10 people will clap for me. Hello?
You're audible, sir.
You're audible,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, the internet was showing a poor connection. Okay. So why 10 fingers? They will clap for me, they will pray for me, and when the final emancipation, the time comes, they will take back me on their shoulders. So 10 is enough. So I shared with everyone. I thought this is a unique thing which probably मुझे ही सिर्फ मेरे thought में आया, and I was happy to share with it. And this is what meditation gives you. Concentration is not meditation. Concentration is the result of meditation. एंड अगेन वी हैव सीन, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कई बार कि व्हाट्सएप में इतने अच्छे अच्छे मैसेजेस आते हैं, अगर हम एक मैसेज भी एक महीने में अगर फॉलो करें, बी ट्रूथफुल और बी काइंड, ये एक ही मैसेज अगर हम फॉलो करें तो lot of things can change. But again, the WhatsApp messages are taken as granted. They are considered as, you know, forwards. You have to understand, a lot of people are there, a lot of clients of mine, I recommend them a lot of things. Like I will again recommend students here to watch a movie, The Queen of Katwe. It is by Meera Nair, based on a South African background है इसका, a chess player. So I forwarded it to a lot of my clients. Ki, sir, watch this movie. One of my clients called, Sarang, I watched that movie. Hello, sir, yeah, that is good. आपने देखा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So he said, I don't ignore your messages. So you have to, you know, feel that you are important. Nowadays, we don't feel that we are important. We are very much important. Our creator has put us here for a purpose, and to find that purpose, we need some practice of meditation. We need some practice of I believe in ideologies or scriptures. I mean, a lot of the scriptures are difficult to understand. Life is pretty simple, and English is the best language. Only A to Z is there, nothing more, nothing complicated. And so these are simple things which we have to practice. Accept the richness of others and their diversity. Please see, we are so, you know, hardwired in our physiology that we believe that the appearance or religion or fate of that person is not what I like. It is not of your choice. You did not created the other person. How can you hate that, right? So that is accepting the richness and the diversity of all the existence. Continuous improvement, introspect daily. See, you cannot postpone that matter. Introspect daily before bedtime. That is the best thing. You know, it is a technique. It is a very ancient technique that अगर आपने आपके बेड टाइम पे यानी सोने से पहले 10 मिनट अगर आपने मेमोराइज किया कि आपने दिन भर में क्या काम किए, आपने कितनी पढ़ाई की, आपने कितनी एक्सरसाइज की, आपने शायद किसी को कुछ बोल दिया होगा, किसी ने आपको कुछ बोल दिया होगा जिसकी वजह से आपका पूरा दिन you kept on thinking on what has happened, why that person has said me like this. You know, you have to let it go. Let it go is a very big thing in life. Not everything is for you. Someone gave a very classic example of Michael Phelps. He is a world-class gold medalist swimmer. And we nowadays consider कि ये talented है, वो लड़का बहुत होशियार है, वो लड़की कितनी होशियार है, she is talented, she always tops in every subject. But I think that talent का हमने definition ही गलत कर दिया है. Michael Phelps probably is biologically blessed. The genetic pattern which he got from his parents is suitable for him to become a excellent swimmer. But trying to, you know, copy that will not give my give my purpose of life to me. You have to identify the purpose of life. It is not that easy. Rather, it is not even tricky. It is so simple that people don't like simple things. In today's world, we want complex. Even in our finance world, people are options, derivatives, but they won't do a simple SIP. We tell them, sir, आप पैसे invest कीजिए और भूल जाइए. But they want to see that every day in their app. You know, things take time to digest. Things take time. और जितना time अगर आप दोगे तो क्या होगा? I mean, there is no problem giving time. Okay, so I hope this is very well understood. This is a classic photo. I really liked it, so मैंने यहाँ पे डाला. Pause. What meditation teaches you? What your personality should include? मुझे लगता है कि हर पर्सनालिटी में काइंडनेस, जेनरोसिटी एंड एटीट्यूड ऑफ यू नो ग्रैटिट्यूड अगर वो आपकी पर्सनालिटी में है तो योर इंटेलिजेंस, योर एक्वायर्ड नॉलेज विल शाइन लाइक एनीथिंग. आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप कम समय में बता पाएंगे, बिकॉज योर सर्कैडियन सिस्टम इज नाउ रिदमिक. You are in tune with nature and you are in tune with your source. So what is the source? There are a lot of techniques. Some people meditate on the mind, this point of the forehead. Some people meditate on throat. The heartfulness practice teaches us to meditate on heart. Heart is the only object which is working full time for you, and it supplies pure blood to all the body cells. I don't see, there are a lot of things people are talking, our economy is becoming 3 trillion or see. What about the billions and millions of cells inside my body? मुझे उसकी चिंता होनी चाहिए. I should be kind enough in telling people that this is the way to achieve. This is the simplest way to achieve, and I should be carrying him or her, because आप एक ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि आप मेडिटेशन की मुझे जरूरत नहीं है. Everybody needs meditation. You want to go to the gym, you want to run, you want to earn money, but how can you postpone your one aspect, one wing of your existence? Most of the saints, you must have heard in Maharashtra or everywhere in the world, most of the saints were saints in their teenage. By the age of 14, 15, they were enlightened. Now enlightened is a different word to, you know, focus upon. But through this practice, through my behavior, through my actions, through my daily practice, I can attain that enlightenment. And enlightenment doesn't mean ending up your life. It is enlightenment of your soul, and the soul's existence is for a purpose which you will find over a period of time. Every meditation gives you a different sort of joy. Oh, it was great. Next time you will say it was too great. So what is that too great? You can experience it with this practice of heartfulness or any practice you like, but it should be simple. It should not be very difficult to understand. Pause, remain poised. Poised is like very calm, especially when everyone else is rushing. Go to your heart. See, heart is the source. From everything is coming from there, right? Feel your center and recalibrate yourself. ये होता ना कि जब तक आप 92.1 या 93.5 एग्जैक्ट उतना ट्यून नहीं करेंगे रेडियो पे, आपको गाना नहीं सुनाई आएगा. At 93.49 you cannot. Soul is singing. Your soul is trying to talk to your. It is, we are disturbed. Feel your center and recalibrate yourselves. Try to approach every task at hand with poise and grace. Now, what is grace? Grace is elegance. You have to. How many of you have attended weddings in last 1.5 years? I attended only one marriage. Again, the lockdown happened. Again, everything happened. I'll just share one very good story. There was a lady. She had the habit of buying new clothes, buying new watches, buying new sandals, and she kept on piling up it in her almirah or the wardrobe. Uska husband usko bolte the, why don't you wear? No, I will wear on our 25th wedding anniversary. I'll wear this when our kids will go to graduation or something like that. And one fine day that lady passed away. उसके husband ने उसका cupboard खोल के देखा तो there were lots of watches. So don't postpone your happiness, right? This is what Swami Vivekananda has said. The nature of the soul is eternal bliss. We can make it sorrowful. I mean, ignorance, hallucination, delusion. The pain of the soul is simply delusion. We are diverted to so many things. हमको ये भी करना है, हमको वो भी करना है. But you not enjoy this beautiful graduation time or your MBA time or once you are into a job, right? The outside world is pretty challenging, and you have to prepare for the challenges. But just don't deviate. I mean, delusion तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए. कोई object से. Be courageous, right? You have to be very, very courageous. Now, these are 8 steps given by sage Patanjali. I mean, I'll just go one by one. What is Yama? Yama is good conduct. Niyam is, in Hindi it is called regular practice. Asana, sitting in a good posture. Pranayam, breathing activity. Then you have Pratyahar, inner withdrawal. Dharana, mental focus. Dhyan is, again, there is a very thin line between dharana and dhyana. Dhyana means meditation. Samadhi is going back to the original condition. Now I called it at source. I literally did not want it. You will see that in this very small presentation, I have not deliberately not put the word God. It is confusing. We don't know who he is or who she is. It is inside everything. So we call it source. We have to go back to the source, right? And with this small steps, we can easily attain it. Or ये कोई religious ideology नहीं है. Sitting in a good posture is treated in every religion. I mean, is talked in every religion, right? Now, again, I like this photo very much. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, there is so much of pin drop silence. मुझे लग रहा है कि, I mean, what I'm trying to tell is reaching out or not. Now look at this picture. This is a person going from layers to layers to layers. Now where is he going? He is going towards the source inside and balancing the outside world as well. He has a lot of challenges. He has to balance his external environment, external challenges. He has to embrace, he has to accept, and with this inner poise, inner grace and truthfulness towards the practice will lead you to the desired success. See, what is holistic sustainability? Holistic is entire चारों दिशाओं में. Holistic sustainability will only come by integrating both the worldly and spiritual planes of existence. Now, what is worldly? जो हम रोजमर्रा का काम करते हैं, अगर हम उसमें कॉन्शियसली एफर्ट नहीं डालेंगे कि मुझे रिजल्ट अच्छा आना चाहिए, हम बस उसको करेंगे क्योंकि किसी ने बोला हुआ है, the result will not that be beautiful. आप खुश नहीं रहेंगे उस रिजल्ट से. So you have to be courageous to accept that spirituality, meditation will shape up my personality. No doubt, it is written in a lot of books. I mean, you can read books by Robin Sharma, by Louise Hay. जितने अच्छे ऑथर्स आप पढ़ेंगे, उन्होंने यही कहा है कि it is a simple practice of meditation, but it needs some regularity, some guidance. You cannot just watch YouTube and become a doctor or become an engineer. You need a guide. You need a you need, मैं उसे बोलता हूँ, you need a fallback mechanism. अगर आपका फाइनेंसेस वेल मैनेज नहीं है, आप ध्यान नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो आपको अपने पहले फाइनेंसेस लाइन पे लाने पड़ेंगे. अगर आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है, आपको बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, आप ध्यान में बैठ नहीं पाएंगे. इट इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन. यू सी कि आप ये कर लो तो आपको ये रिजल्ट यू विल गेट. एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. विद दिस you will tune in with your inner self to face the challenges, how big they are, in a very, very comfortable, calm manner, right? I'll give a last example. The last slide is still remaining. I just want to give two examples. Calm and Payos की मैं इतनी बात कर रहा हूँ. At the time there was a match between two far long back, and 15-16 साल पहले, when Mohammad Azharuddin was the captain, and Kumble was bowling to Shahid Afridi. Shahid Afridi was a young chap at those age, 23 or hardly 24 or 21 probably. Or Shahid Afridi was in a great form. Anil Kumble was doing wonders, bowling every good batsman pretty early, and Azharuddin was the skipper, the captain. तो शाहिद आफरीदी को पहली बॉल डाली कुंबले ने, शाहिद आफरीदी ने चौका लगा दिया. तो इट इज नॉर्मल, कोई भी प्लेयर, कोई भी कैप्टन इंटरफियर नहीं करता है. सेकंड बॉल वाज हिट फॉर अ 4. तो कुंबले थोड़ा सा स्टांस इधर उधर चेंज किया, बट अगेन थर्ड बॉल वाज हिट फॉर अ 4 रन आउट ऑफ द बाउंड्री. तो कुंबले, अभी आप कमेंटेटर्स को सुन रहे हैं, राइट? दिस इज एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट. कुंबले के चेहरे पे थोड़ा सा टेंशन अब दिखना शुरू हो गया, एंड फोर्थ बॉल उन्होंने डाली और वो फिर से चौका लग गया. नाउ लुक एट अ यंग चैप like Shahid Afridi who was hitting, it could have like made his career there. And Kumble now could be seen in lot of tension. And fifth ball, Kumble bowled again. It was again hit for a 4. So now every commentator was saying, what is Azharuddin doing? He should go as a captain and then talk to Kumble. He should guide him, ye, wo. And now there was immense pressure on Kumble. आप देखिए, कुंबले is an engineer. Azharuddin, very small village person, small guy. मतलब he is introvert side sort of a person. तो अजहरुद्दीन ने 5 बॉल तक तो कुंबले के पास गए नहीं. Now on the 6th ball, just Azharuddin with his not even a captaincy attitude, he just went to Kumble. और आपको पता होगा कि अंपायर के लेफ्ट हैंड से बॉलिंग डाला जाता है, स्टंप के इस साइड से, और स्टंप के ओवर से उधर से डालते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं ओवर दी. तो अजहरुद्दीन, अब तक जो हर कमेंटेटर उसको ब्लेम कर रहे थे, अजहरुद्दीन ने बोला कि आप राइट आर्म ओवर डालो कुंबले. एंड कुंबले बोल्ड राइट आर्म ओवर एंड आफरीदी वाज बोल्ड आउट, स्टम्प्ड आउट, एंड ही वाज बोल्ड आउट. सो आप सोचिए, पोस्ट मैच एनालिसिस ये हुआ कि अजहरुद्दीन अगर पहले या दूसरे बॉल पे जाते तो कुंबले का ईगो हर्ट होता कि अरे यार, ये कैप्टन मुझे बता रहा है, मैं वर्ल्ड का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्पिनर्स हूँ. आफरीदी को ये लगता कि देखो मैंने प्रेशर डाल दिया है कुंबले पे, और कुंबले इतने बड़े बैट्समैन को, कैप्टन को आके समझाना पड़ रहा है. What helped Azharuddin? His attitude of courage? No, his attitude of calmness, right? So this is my last slide. Actually, I'm keeping this on the last page because I told you I did not wanted to mix it up with religion. So where religion ends, spirituality begins. Where spirituality ends, reality begins. And where reality ends, true bliss, true anandam, true bliss begins. So you have to find out through meditation, through the available resources. There are excellent books, excellent techniques, free of cost at Heartfulness. We teach a lot of things are available. You know, you don't have to follow what your system tells you. You can always try new things, experiment with those. If you like, fine, fair enough. That is the end of my presentation, Muktai ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It was indeed an excellent presentation, and the best part was not mixing religion or God. And as you very rightly said, it is a source. It's within us, and that's what we need to channelize. Thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful session connecting personality with spirituality. And the reason you said it, there was a pin drop silence, because it's a new concept for students to understand and probably connect. But at the same time, it is extremely essential that not only during this pandemic that we are aware about these changes, but later on also in life, if they want to be really successful, this is something that is going to help them for the holistic development. So thank you once again for the wonderful presentation. If participants have any questions, please feel free to ask. Anyone, anything, if you want to ask anything about Ashtanga Yoga, meditation, or what kind of practices you should do, what kind of priorities you should set, please go ahead and ask. You can put it either in the chat box or unmute yourself and ask.
सारंग सर,
या
एक सवाल है जो बच्चों के मन में होगा, वो मुझे आपको पूछने का है।
बोलिए सर।
ये जो स्पिरिचुअलिटी है और उससे रिलेटेड जो भी प्रोसेसेस हमको फॉलो करने का है, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि ये हमारे एज के लिए सूट नहीं करती। प्रोबेबली व्हेन वी ग्रो ओल्ड और रिटायरमेंट के करीब जाते हैं या पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट करने के ये काम है, तो इसके बारे में आप पहले बताइए कि उसकी मतलब ये जो प्रोसेसेस फॉलो होगी या जो प्रैक्टिसेस करेंगे, एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी का क्वेश्चन जो है उसका इम्पोर्टेंट कितना है। मतलब 3 क्वेश्चंस तो बच्चे भी जानते हैं, 2 शायद वो गिन चुके हैं। पहला आईक्यू है, बाद में मतलब इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में, बाद में इमोशनल क्वेश्चन है जो उन्होंने अभी अभी गिना है, और अभी आप बात कर रहे हैं स्पिरिचुअल क्वेश्चन की। तो ये तीनों में स्पिरिचुअल क्वेश्चन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है उसके बारे में रीडिफाइन करिए, रीफ्रेज करिए अपने आप को कि वो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है और अभी से उसकी प्रैक्टिस करना क्यों जरूरी है।
Okay, thanks sir. I think this is a vast topic. ये बहुत बड़ा subject है spirituality, because every one of us, are born in certain religion. So we are, forced to follow the set rules. Spirituality, what is spirituality? It is spirit. It is your soul. So the food of the soul is silence. लेकिन आप देखिए, विवेकानंद ने एक बार, स्वामी विवेकानंद has given a very good example. It is like a gunpowder. You see, you cannot put fire. आप आग नहीं लगा सकते गीले लकड़ी में. You cannot burn the wet wood, but you have to be like the raw gunpowder, जिसमें आप चिंगारी लगाइए और वो जल जाएगा. तो आप देखेंगे आपके भी बच्चों में कई सारे बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जो एकदम से अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे नई चीजों को. तो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बर्थ, रीबर्थ, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं उसमें, वी हैव कम टू दिस प्लेस टू अ सर्टेन डेस्टिनी. अब लोग बोलते हैं कि हमारी डेस्टिनी हम बदलेंगे कैसे, राइट? यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेंज योर डेस्टिनी. यू कैन डिजाइन योर डेस्टिनी. इन हार्टफुलनेस देयर आर सिंपल टेक्निक्स, राइट? अभी लोग बोलते हैं सर ये 10 प्रिंसिपल्स है, राइज बिफोर डॉन, यानी सूरज उगने के पहले उठिए. ये तो मेरे से होता नहीं, तो मैं 9 भी नहीं करूंगा. तो इट इज लाइक इफ आई डोंट लाइक वन सब्जेक्ट, आई विल इग्नोर द अदर 9 सब्जेक्ट्स. इट कैनॉट हैपन. सी सर, यमा, नियमा, धारणा, ध्याना, प्रत्याहारा. व्हाट इज नियमा? नियमित समय पे कोई चीज करना. अष्टांग योग, योग एक्चुअली आई विल नॉट पुट इट एज अष्टांग योग. say it is physical requirement of your body. Somebody likes to go to gym, like we have a best cyclist in the world, Mr. Amit Samarth, Dr. Amit Samarth from Nagpur. We have the best boxer, that little girl from our city. They are biologically blessed, right? अब आपने पूछा कि ये लेटर ऑन क्यों करें, हम पोस्टपोन क्यों करें? सर सी, मैं बार बार यही मतलब मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है कि अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू सफर, आप सॉल्यूशन के पीछे नहीं जाएंगे, और सॉल्यूशन कोई भी कभी इजी नहीं होता, राइट? एंड सॉल्यूशन, ये सॉल्यूशन बहुत सिंपल है कि आपको सुबह उठना है, आपके हार्ट पे मेडिटेट करना है, आपको एक गाइड मिलता है यहाँ पे, एवरी टेक्निक इज रेडीली अवेलेबल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. दे विल हेल्प यू which points. There are 23 circles in our heart region which I have not discussed because that topic will deal with sometime else, somewhere else, here only, but not now. So these 23 rings of Maya, then internal, there are a lot of things. So then we reach to the core. But मुझे नहीं करना है. क्यों नहीं करना है? आपको अच्छे नंबर लाने तो आपको मेडिटेशन करना पड़ेगा. अभी हम हमेशा ही बोलते हैं अरे ध्यान से साइकिल चलाओ, ध्यान से गाड़ी चलाओ. तो ध्यान तो आप हर जगह कर रहे हैं. अगर आप बैठ के ध्यान करेंगे तो आप खुद की बेनिफिशियल रहेगा. यू आर बेनिफिटिंग इफ यू आर डूइंग मेडिटेशन. बेनिफिट. What is the importance of spiritual quotient? I personally feel that it should be the topmost priority. Intelligence का डेफिनेशन तो हमने गड़बड़ करके रख दिया है. टैलेंट का भी डेफिनेशन हमने गड़बड़ कर दिया है. Everything is equated to money. And why not? One aspect of your life is keeping one wing very steady. अगर आपका विंग अच्छा है, आपकी इनकम लेवल अच्छी है, आप courageous है, आप सोसाइटी में एक you want to reach a level where you will be respected with your own efforts, and during these efforts meditation will help you a lot. जो काम आपको 5 घंटे में करना है आप 1 घंटे में कर सकते हैं. Your 4 hours are saved. This is the benefit of meditation. I hope, sir, I have answered.
Yes, thank you very much.
Sir, there is a question in the chat box from Advitiya, and she says that, sir, how can we increase the incorporation calmness in our attitude? Advitiya, if you want to turn on your mic, you can ask the question yourself as well.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah, good afternoon.
So my question is, how can we increase the incorporation of calmness in our attitude? How can we not panic and just take a deep breath and maintain a more calm behavior?
Yeah, very, very good question. See, you have to put a lot of effort in this fast-paced world. When we are like, अगर हमारे मोबाइल में पिक्चर डाउनलोड नहीं होता तो हम पैनिक हो जाते हैं. अगर हमारा फोन कॉल कोई 2 बार में नहीं उठाता हम पैनिक हो जाते हैं. अगर हमारी मम्मी हमें बार बार कोई चीज बोल रही है, पापा को चीज बोल रहे तो हम पैनिक हो जा रहे हैं. दिस इज एंजाइटी. व्हाई? बिकॉज मैंने आपको बोला कि आपका सर्कैडियन सिस्टम जो है इट इज डिस्टर्ब्ड. वी पुट आवर मोबाइल फोन्स नियर आवर बेड एंड द इंटरनेट इज ऑन. ये सबको मालूम है, लेकिन कोई इंटरनेट का बटन जाके बंद नहीं करता रात को. बिफोर स्लीपिंग just relax, sit on your bed before laying back for 10 minutes. Think what have you done in the entire day. I always tell all my loving people जो भी मेरे से मिलता है, मैं उनको बोलता हूँ कि keep a diary. Diary is the best assessment. आप कुछ भी लिखिए उसमें. आज मैं सुबह 7 बजे उठी. I got up at आज मैंने इस पे चिल्लाया, उस पे चिल्लाया. Someone shouted on me. Calmness, see, how can you achieve calmness? If the mind is going fast, mind is telling you ki Advitiya, you have to achieve this, you have to come first, and suddenly फिर से duality of existence. The second thing says calm down. You can achieve it, but calm down. तो dualities को handle करने के लिए ही meditation. You cannot say that I'll be the best swimmer in 1 month. It may take years, and during that effort you may not become the best swimmer, but at least you are putting the best effort, and who knows, I mean, you can do wonders. इतने आसानी से नहीं आता है. There is a technique there are a lot of books. There are simple methods. But regularity of practice is needed. You have to, there are some videos I will share with Muktai madam. She can give it to you. But it is pretty easy. Once you can calm down your mind, courageous doesn't mean that you have to be, bold and say everything, and every time you have to say. Most courageous people are afraid, but being afraid doesn't mean that you are gone. Bouncing back and coming with a solution, coming with an plan to overcome that fear. आपको fear को हटाना है. That is the only thing.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks.
Hello, sir.
Sanat,
Excuse me, sir.
just a minute, Sahil. There's a question from Sanat Bansod and Palash. Let them go first, and then you can ask your question, Sahil. Sanat, if you can hear me, you can switch on your mic and ask your question later.
Yes,
Sanat
ma'am.
Bansod.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
सर मुझे लगता है कि मुझे मेडिटेशन की जरूरत है, तो
Yeah. How old are you? आपका age कितना है?
आई एम 21.
Great. I'll share a number. He's a retired Air Force officer, and he's our heartfulness trainer. I'll share his number with madam. You can connect to me anytime. Meditation की जरूरत आपको नहीं है, सबको है. But it is a good thing that you felt what is the quench of your heart. It is a good thing. आपका सवाल बोलिए.
नो सर, सवाल कुछ नहीं है, बस मेडिटेशन की जरूरत है ऐसा लगता है.
सबको जरूरत है, सबको जरूरत है.
Okay, Palash, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
Palash ने actually chat box में लिखा है, sir, how being ambitious lowers your aspiration.
अरे वो बहुत ही मैंने मतलब क्रिटिकल स्टेटमेंट तो नहीं दे दिया है, बट एस्पिरेशन हैज नो मनी सेंट्रिक आउटकम. यू वांट टू बिकम अ गुड टीचर. अब आप उसमें से 50,000 रुपए कमा रहे हैं, 5 लाख रुपए कमा रहे हैं, 10,000 रुपए कमा रहे हैं, हार्डली मैटर्स. एम्बिशन इज नॉर्मली एसोसिएटेड विद योर डिजायर्ड गोल टू अचीव दिस सक्सेस इन सर्टेन टाइम. मुझे इतने पैसे कमाने हैं, मुझे कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी जाना है, मुझे न्यूयॉर्क जाना है, या it has a goal, but associated, the outcome is associated with money. I'm not saying that ambition या आपके aspiration, but to an extent गलत भी नहीं है वो. मतलब लोग बोलते हैं यार तेरे में कोई ambition ही नहीं है, वो बोलते हैं यार I want to become a good chess player. अब अच्छा chess player बन के वो बहुत पैसे तो नहीं कमाएगा. He wants to start an NGO. It is his ambition. It is her ambition, aspiration है. स्पिरिचुअलिटी में अगर आप आएंगे तो आप शायद बोलेंगे कि ठीक है, आई एम एम्बिशियस, बट लेट मी एस्पायर इन अ साइलेंट स्लो वे. एम्बिशंस में आप कई बार गलत
Sahil, you can ask your question now.
Good evening, sir.
yeah.
Sir, I want to ask you, man. I was reading a case study about Japan. So they were like from the birth of the child, from like 1 to 2 years, they teach their child to how to breathe, like in a proper manner, like to how to control their breathing form, and yes, to how to control their breathing. So does the breathing really affect our whole body?
I
See,
think
it is
what he
one
wants
aspect
to
of your
ask
life.
is, yeah, sir.
See, it is one aspect of your life. अगर मेरा breathing control में है, so to breathe, first of all, you have to close your eyes. If you want to really deep breathe, na, you cannot just open up, deep breathe. You can go inside So what is breathing actually? Breathing is a life. We are gone. Now, if when you talked of Japan, सबसे बड़ा अगर आप देखेंगे ना जापानीज या कोई भी जो अच्छे स्विमर्स हैं, जो अच्छे प्लेयर्स होते हैं ना, हम जब मदर की वूम से बाहर आते हैं ना, वी वर एक्चुअली फ्लोटिंग फॉर 9 months. I discussed this with my brother. Actually, he discussed me कि why they are good swimmers. Was we were actually floating. और जैसे ही वो कॉर्ड काट के हमको बाहर ला जाता है, वी आर इन द ओपन एयर एंड सडनली द वाटर इज गॉन. तो एक्चुअली द बेबी मिसेस द वाटर. अगर आपने देखा होगा यूएस, यूके या कहीं जापान, चाइना, तो दूसरे साल में स्विमिंग सिखाते हैं. हमको डर लगता है. Why they are extremely good in swimming, mountaineering, because उनमें वो fear factor नहीं है. और अगर आपने जापान का बात किया तो every country has its own culture और breathing technique है, breathing life है. अगर आप उसको रेगुलेट करते हो, सी देखिए, realign, regulate and then recalibrate, ultimately it will rejuvenate your entire existence. हम सिर्फ ब्रीदिंग पे नहीं रोक सकते ना. ये फिजिकल हट योग जिसको बोलते हैं, लॉट ऑफ पुशअप्स, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स यू हैव टू डू. देन यू कैन से मेडिटेशन इज दिस लास्ट. ध्यान, यू सी, आपने जो चार्ट में देखा होगा, ध्यान इज द लास्ट स्टेप. तो एकदम वहां नहीं पहुंचना है अपने को, ग्रेजुअली जाएंगे तो भी सही है.
Okay, sir, but like I have like even like compared, so like if a snake bites, so everyone during that accident we need to control our breathing, because if we like breathe very fast, so the poison will spread across our body in way faster time than it's naturally do. And even during an accident or a cut or like yeah, during a cut in our body we need to like hold our breath, so like the blood doesn't flow outwards, because if we panic and we breathe so much, the eventually the blood will flow out of our body during that cuts and like in a snake bite.
देखिए देखिए, पहली बात तो ये आप समझ लो कि एक्सीडेंट किसका हुआ है. अगर किसी एक सेंट है, मान के चलिए, उसका एक्सीडेंट होता है ना, तो ही विल इवन एम्प्यूट हिज लेग विदाउट अ एनेस्थीसिया. वो बोलते हैं कि मेरे हाथ में पेन है, राइट, पेन इज देयर बट सफरिंग इज माय चॉइस. मैं सफर करूं या नहीं करूं, ये तो मेरी चॉइस है, राइट. देयर आर पीपल, J. Krishnamurti and lot of people, they have written पेन तो होगा, नो डाउट होगा. अब वो सफरिंग में कन्वर्ट करना है कि नहीं करना है, ये तो आपने क्या मेडिटेटिव प्रैक्टिस की है, आपने कितना ध्यान लगाया है, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. देयर आर सेंट्स दोज हु हैव like had a lot of injury in their body, but without anesthesia they have cured. आप अलर्ट हो क्या, आपका एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है, मान के चलिए, आर यू अवेयर कि एक्सीडेंट कुछ हुआ भी है?
No, sir.
So
But like
alertness
I
and
have
awareness.
migraine, so I'm always trying. Like I go to like my house has a little temple, so during evening time where like it's not very hot, not very cold. During like after 6:30, I just sit there and like try to breathe, because like in my case, doctor said like you need to give more oxygen towards your brain side. So
Of course,
I
of course.
hold breath for 3 seconds, and then little by little I just release it. So that's I'm practicing. Like I keep my eyes closed and like put the diya on. Like if I lose focus, then I see the diya and like start again.
See, any technique, if it works for you, it is really good. आप उसको करते रहिए, but under a good guidance you can achieve the results very quickly. Self effort in spirituality is dangerous. Focusing on a diya, it's a simple technique, you can do that, but lifelong तो नहीं करना है ना. और सबसे मजेदार चीज क्या है पता है, मेडिटेशन में एक स्टेज आता है जब आपको मेडिटेशन भी नहीं करना पड़ता. योर एंटायर सिस्टम इनटू ऑटो मोड. Who wants to get up at 4 o'clock and do meditation? Nobody wants. But with certain regular practice, अगर आपने वो अचीव कर लिया, you are in a constant state of remembrance. सो बिफोर सी एक चीज होती है ना कि कई बोलते हैं यार ही इज अ फूल, वो तो ऐसी गड़बड़ हमेशा ही करता है. A smart person knows the situation, but he might also go wrong. But a wise person, he knows beforehand the outcome of that any incidents. पढ़ाई नहीं करने पे फेल होंगे, बॉस people were lucky तो पास हो गए without giving even exams. But this outcome, a wise person knows that this is the best time to invest in body, to invest in meditation, to invest in health, and later on life will reward it somewhere else, sometime. जिसका immunity weak था, they have suffered a lot in corona. Regular exercise, regular, उनको भी बहुत कुछ हुआ है. तो आप बोलोगे कि सर उनको भी तो हुआ. Fair enough. I mean, you cannot be judgmental all the time. There are a lot of things which are happening in our ecosystem. We are just a part of it. We have to be alert, and we have to, we have to be really aware कि मैं सही जा रहा हूँ या नहीं जा रहा हूँ. Is this the right thing or the wrong thing? कई बार होता है हम चलते जाते पता चलता है यार तो वेस्ट हो गया. So daily habit of writing a diary, I think that everybody should start.
So there is one more question from Ruchita. She says, is there any fixed or best time to meditate?
Ideally before sunrise. Ideally, this is the best time. But you see, थोड़ा सा अपने माइंड को भी ना, माइंड इज सच अ स्मार्ट ऑर्गन. आप बोलिए कि अगर आप सुबह 8 बजे मेडिटेशन करते हैं तो दुनिया के किसी ना किसी कोने में तो सुबह के 4 बजे होंगे. तो यू डोंट ट्राई टू बी राइट इन द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इटसेल्फ. वो बोलते हैं ना कि मुझे अगर माउंटेन चढ़ना है तो लुक एट द फर्स्ट स्टेप, डोंट लुक एट द माउंटेन. टेक इट, do it at 10 o'clock. In Mumbai, I have seen people walking at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They don't bother. Start तो करो आप. पहले आप बस में तो बैठिए, पहले गाड़ी में तो बैठिए. गाड़ी आपको कहाँ लेके जाएगी वो तो अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे जाने वाली है. But you have to sit, you have to understand, is this the right system for me?
Right. So there is another question. Sir, you have talked about letting go, to not seek revenge and be forgiving. There are many things we can learn in life not to actually make a use of that attribute, but to have an edge over other people. How can I start the feeling of wanting to gain things for betterment of myself and not for others around me?
See, this is the outcome of the competition we face every day. I told you, na, Dr. Hegde, he said, I करोगे तो illness आएगा, we करोगे तो wellness आएगा. अभी आपको wellness चाहिए, अब सोसाइटी में आप बताइए ना. There was an article, it showed it was so nicely written कि Mukesh Ambani also breathes the same air which a beggar breathes in Mumbai. अगर मुंबई का हवाई polluted रहेगा तो what is your billions of dollars worth? So ecosystem is important, and for a better me, how can I think ill for others ना, कि मतलब ये तो वही बात होगी कि सूरज उगे बट रोशनी उस पे नहीं पड़े, सिर्फ मुझ पे आए. Sun is we have to learn from our environment. Sun is always giving. It doesn't bother कि मैं साउथ अफ्रीका में हूँ या इंडिया में हूँ या चेन्नई में हूँ. It is. So your kindness will not only reflect, I mean, selfish होना कोई गलत नहीं है, बिल्कुल गलत नहीं है. कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड है, बट आप ये बोलोगे कि नहीं मैं उसका बुरा चाहती हूँ, तो आपका माइंड हमेशा वही फोकस करेगा. सी, आवर माइंड इज सो हार्ड वायर्ड कि हमेशा पहले ना निगेटिव चीज इंपैक्ट करती है. पहले आप दूसरे का बुरा सोचने जाओगे ना, यू विल ऑलवेज बी थिंकिंग उसको नहीं मिलना चाहिए, उसे नहीं मिलना चाहिए. Why you are worried about the competition? Be competitive with your own self ना. Be better than your own self yesterday. And what is wrong in helping? अगर आपका कोरोना में आपको कोरोना हो गया रहता है, other people would have said यार नहीं तो मुझे हो जाएगा तो मैं इसकी हेल्प नहीं करता हूँ, तो आप तो शायद जिंदा भी नहीं बचते. We cannot ignore the existence of others. Actually हमारा problem ये है. She asked a very actually nice question. तो अच्छा क्वेश्चन नहीं था. बट मुझे एकदम से यही आया कि meditation teaches you to be aware of your resources and nature has given you in abundance. क्या कमी दिया है आपको? आपका माइंड अगर शार्प है, आपको कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस आप में है, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज लीड, यू कैन बी अ गुड लीडर, राइट?
Right, sir. There is a one question and the student is not able to put on his mics. He has asked that please share your views on sound meditation.
See, I'm not an expert on really. मतलब मैं क्या बोलूं? There are so many techniques. अगर आप मेरा टॉपिक आयुर्वेदा पे होता तो लोग बोलते सर फिर होम्योपैथी अच्छा है क्या? होम्योपैथी पे अच्छा तो बोलते कि एलोपैथी अच्छा है क्या? एनी मेडिटेशन इज गुड. अभी साउंड मेडिटेशन का प्रॉब्लम क्या है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. इट इज एफर्टलेस. आपको एक कान में लगाना है और सुनना है. व्हाट इज द एफर्ट फ्रॉम योर साइड? नो एफर्ट. आप बोलोगे सर अभी तो आपने बोला 8 बजे भी ध्यान करो, तो मैं 8 बजे कान में वो हेडफोन लगा के सुन रहा हूँ. द मदर इज शाउटिंग देयर. You cannot do that. I mean, at certain level, when you are alone, when you really want to feel कि नहीं मुझे थोड़ा सा शांति चाहिए, तो it is like a small dose, not in entirety you can say कि sound meditation ही करना चाहिए. It is one part of meditation.
And the last question from Sangharsha is meditation a tool for spiritual awakening?
Yeah, very good question. Meditation is the only tool. There are layers which I discussed. There are 8 steps. आप धीरे धीरे करो, कोई जरूरत नहीं है एकदम से मेडिटेशन करने का भी. वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कि लाइफ इज सो फास्ट पेस्ड और सडनली आप एकदम ब्रेक लगा रहे हो और आप बोल रहे हो कि नहीं मुझे 1 घंटा ध्यान करना है. आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे. यू कैन नॉट डू. स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग पहले तो डिफाइन कर लो कि आपको आपके लिए स्पिरिचुअलिटी क्या है. स्पिरिचुअलिटी मीन्स एन holistic development of all my capabilities, which eventually will make me a wiser person. मुझे किसी से compete नहीं करना है, but you will stand out. People will come and ask you कि संघर्ष what are you doing? आजकल you look very vibrant. Your talks are very receptive. Suddenly people will flock around you. They will want to be in your own company. किसे अच्छा नहीं लगता, right? Some people are blessed with these qualities, right? But everyone has a strength. तो spiritual awakening से ज्यादा मैं बोलूंगा कि अपने लिए अभी क्या है कि target how I can score better. Is meditation helpful? Definitely helpful. Spiritual awakening gradually will learn over a period of time.
Right.
So
Thank
can
you
I
so
ask
much,
one
sir.
more question?
Advitya, you're saying something?
Yes, ma'am. Do we have time for one more question?
Yeah, go ahead. Sir, will it be okay for one more question?
Yeah, no worries, no worries.
Sir, Aishwarya's comment, I interpreted it as that she is feeling jealousy over those people. Like she talked about attributes who should be gained for ourselves, for the betterment of ourselves, and not because you want to impress someone or have an edge, etc. I interpreted it that way. So, like, how can we not think about impressing people all the time or not being jealous all the time?
See, existence of we live in a world full of duality. मैं तभी बोला कि अगर कॉइन का एक साइड है तो कॉइन का दूसरा साइड भी रहेगा ही. But that jealousy should be restricted towards your own self. Being jealous of humans itself is a wrong tendency. अब क्या होता है ना, ये टेंडेंसीज को निकालने का काम करता है मेडिटेशन. सो गाइडेड मेडिटेशन जैसे हार्टफुलनेस जो मैं फॉलो करता हूँ, देयर आर प्रिसेप्टर्स हु जैसे हम कपड़े धोते हैं, वी वॉश आवर ओन क्लोथ्स, बट इन अ वॉशिंग मशीन द क्लोथ्स आर ड्राइड अप, दे आर लाइक हर तरीके से उसकी धुलाई होती है and it's a better cloth. The outcome is a clean sort of thing. So हमारे एफर्ट से हम हर चीज करने जाएंगे थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट रहेगा. You cannot attain the full result. जेलसी रहना भी कोई गलत नहीं है. I mean, being jealous, कई बार आपको दूसरे का बिहेवियर अच्छा नहीं लगता इसलिए आप जेलस होते हो. तो उसमें ठीक है ना, these are tendencies. कोई बुरा नहीं है, मतलब कोई अच्छा भी नहीं है, कोई बुरा भी नहीं है. See, it is a balance. The problem with spirituality is that in the initial stages it looks pretty simple, but as you go on, you know, step by step, ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो बहुत complex है. But that complexity is of your heart, of your mind. मैंने बोला ना, अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है दूसरा ह्यूमन बीइंग, तो इसका मतलब आपको भगवान भी पसंद नहीं है. भगवान यानी आपको जिसने बनाया. How can you hate the creation of God? You cannot. And these are tendencies which can be removed through meditation. कोई problem नहीं है. It can be removed very easily.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Maitre sir, should we wind up?
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Thank you so much, Sarang sir. The questions were resolved, I guess. The students were extremely happy. I'm very sure we have given them a spirituality quotient test as well. If they have any further questions, we will forward them to you. And I'm sure if you can share those videos you talked about, we will post it on the Google Classroom that we have made for the children, so that they can, you know more about this. Thank you so much once again on behalf of SBCT, all the students. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
very much.
sir. Stay
Thanks a
safe.
lot.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. All the participants are requested to go and start doing your assignments on the Google Classroom, do the spirituality quotient test as well, and watch the videos. We meet again at 3:45 for discussion.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.